In this video, we will take a look how to style a feed according to our needs. First of all, we go back to our app dashboard. We click the pencil on the respective feed we want to edit and modify. I click on Edit. And we can now scroll all the way down and can find here in these individual sub-items the settings. So first of all, related to the heading, define the settings to the heading in this section, so we can define the size of it. We can change the color of it as well. You make it in a nice blue color. We can also modify the placeholder, can match it according to our UI. Customer input should be also in the blue color. If we want to make it exact, we can also copy the hex code and can paste it here. So then the right colors will be overtaken. You can change everything according to our wishes. And we can now move on with the style section and define what should be the size, small or full. You can also make the edges rounded. In my case, let's for that put it to a single line, and we will also make it not resizable. And let's now again make the corners with the grounded. This is now a nice rounded text box. We can also change the border color, but it will match. Background color is good in white color. And this is already how we can style individually our text box. We can save it. We can then also take a look in this storefront, and we can see that this is overtaken according to our style settings we can find inside the respective sub-items. Now it's important to know if you work with the product options. Let me show it to you. I will take Create Field, Product Options, Next. And we have here various kind of options added. But all of the style settings will not be hidden inside these. They will be here generally available so that you don't have to style them one by one. So you can just go here and you can see on the right side, everything on the right side will change according to the adjustments I will do here. So it's pretty easy. You can just change everything you want to change here on this page, and it will be exactly overtaken on the right side. You can see I'm changing that one by one. Placeholder color, text color, tooltip color, and everything is nicely arranged in the respective color you will set here. This is the only difference between these two. The text box, you can find it individually inside the dropdowns. And here it's just a general setting so that you don't have to waste time by going to each one individually.